Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the low budget production that is my room. We have the projector on with which I'm getting a little bit of yellow light and peachy valley light, so it's not ideal. The lighting is not ideal, but I was going for like a cozy vibe and this is the only way I could recreate it. But hi, long time no see. I think the last time I uploaded a long form video was when I was getting ready for my exams, and now I'm back when my exams are done and I have hit like an all-time low. like जो भी मेरे कमरे में आ रहा है वो मेरे कमरे को देख के बोल रहा है भाई ये हुआ क्या तेरे कमरे को. Basically stuff everywhere. Like if I show you my dressing table right now, it's a mess. My bed has not been made. My clothes are all over the room. I'm just like in a slump where I'm just so tired and I don't want to do anything. But before I start ranting, this is a typical catch up with me video where I'm going to be playing some music. Copyright को छोड़ के window से बाहर निकाल के हम गाने सुनेंगे and vibe करेंगे while I talk about मेरी ज़िंदगी की बहुत सारी समस्याएं जो actually में first world problems है भाई, first world. सॉरी यस क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. आई एम कंफर्टेबल. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ऑल ऑफ इट. मेरे सेकेंड सेम के एग्जाम्स खत्म हो चुके हैं विच इज़ सो एक्साइटिंग बिकॉज आई हैड हिंदी दिस सेम which was I think the most challenging subject in my head, but when I went to give the exam, hands down easiest exam, right? Like not that difficult at all. But अब हो गया, भगवान की दया से पास होने वाले हैं हम होपफुली. पहली बारी आई थिंक मैं DU के किसी प्रॉपर कॉलेज में जाके एग्ज़ाम दे के आई हूँ. अदरवाइज सोल के जो हमारा फर्स्ट सेम एग्ज़ाम था दैट वाज लाइक नॉट इन लाइक अ प्रॉपर कॉलेज. So this was like our first experience in a proper college, so it was super fun. ये glare बहुत दे रहा है पीछे से which is irritating me a lot. But आप सब इसको ignore करेंगे और सिर्फ मेरी शक्ल देखेंगे. We are a low budget production, you cannot get everything. I've recently been loving like 1990s, early 2000s songs. They're really my jam these days. I don't know यार, I've been really overwhelmed. I think मेरे पास कुछ ज़्यादा ही था करने को, because of which मैं बहुत overwhelmed हो गई थी in the middle. Like I'm just like feeling so overburdened, and that's why I think that I'm just burnt out. That's all it is. To take time off is probably one of the most difficult things for me. So yeah, I've just been struggling with resting. But I think YouTube was one thing that I was very stressed about, in the sense that I spoke to a lot of people and a lot of people were like, you know, YouTube is such a quantity game, it's not a quality game. Like अगर तुम्हारा क्वांटिटी है तो तुम सक्सेसफुल होगे. बट मेरे दिमाग में ना है कि इफ़ आई एम गिविंग यू क्वालिटी कंटेंट, व्हाई शुड क्वांटिटी मैटर. अगर मैं हर हफ्ते एक नई वीडियो निकाल रही हूँ that is quality, that is more important to me than releasing 3 videos a week that are sucky in quality. Unfortunately, YouTube or content creation in general is such a quantity game कि अगर तुम्हें किसी की पोस्ट दिख रही है अपने YouTube पे, अपने शॉर्ट्स पे, अपने Instagram पे, तो तुम ऑटोमेटिकली you're more likely to follow them because you're watching them so much more. I think तो मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ भाई, मैं इतना सोचती नहीं हूँ, मैं पहले बता रही हूँ. Everyone who starts a YouTube channel will not have the same game plan, and that's why in the middle I really felt like maybe I should quit YouTube. Maybe YouTube is not the right space for me to be in, because number one, I don't have an Instagram, right? So anyways, I'm at a disadvantage. मेरे को कोई खास advantage है नहीं बिना Instagram के. It does not contribute anything positive to my life, and that is why I decided to not be on Instagram. And now because of that, if my YouTube is going to suffer, then I would choose to drop YouTube, right? Because for me, my mental health is always going to be my priority. I am very confused as to if I should continue YouTube, if it's even going to get me anything at the end. Like, I think this started off as such a passion project and just something to be like a creative outlet for me. I think it's starting to feel a lot like a job, and I've only been on YouTube for like 9 months because you're so preoccupied with the numbers and the comments and the subscriber count. It's very, very just overwhelming. अब हम थोड़ी सीरियस टॉक के बीच में अगला गाना चलाएंगे. You know, are people enjoying my content? Do people want to watch my content? Am I reaching someone? Am I improving someone's life? Am I truly obtaining the goal that I have aimed to obtain for so long? The block of like a creator's mind where at a certain point you're just like, I think this video is boring and this video is boring and everything that I'm taking out is just not worth watching, and feeling inferior that your content is not good enough. And at this point, like, I have 245 subscribers, so I can't even imagine the people or the creators who have more, like 10 times, 100 times more subscribers than I do, and they're also thinking the same thing, whether their content is good enough for their audience, whether their content is delivering or not. The creator that comes to my mind first is Bethany Mota, right? When she started off her YouTube, at that time YouTube was like this thing, when Alicia Marie and all of them were taking off, it was this thing that there weren't as many creators in the market. Now the market is so oversaturated. Every second person is an influencer, a creator. Though I don't like the word influencer, it's so irritating to be called, like, I mean, I'm not being called it, but it's so irritating. Like, that word influencer irks me for some reason. Like, what are you influencing, dude? I'm trying a really fun makeup look today. I hope it works out. I mean, maybe काम करेगा तो आप लोग ही देखोगे और तो कोई देखेगा नहीं, तो it's okay. Every second person today is an influencer, is someone who is, making content, especially because of things like TikTok and Instagram. But is there really something that is forcing me to stay here to be a good creator? Is simply because of the audience. I feel like even if I'm able to improve one person's day, or if I'm able to, help someone out with something, especially like with my college related videos, then I've done my job. There's so much added pressure of trying to be the best in this sphere. Like, recently I uploaded a video of Ayodhya, and it didn't do as well as I expected it to do, right? And I was very upset because I was like, what is the point if I'm, doing all of this and people don't even want to watch what I'm making and watch what I'm putting out there? But then I thought, like, it's okay, like, let's keep going, it's just the beginning. But I'm sure there are hundreds of people who, like, work for years to get to a point of like 1 million or 100,000 subscribers. It's a lot of work. I'm not saying being a creator is the most difficult thing in the world, but at the same time, if you're doing it, then yes, you are probably putting more effort into it, and this is like your world, this is the world that you have seen. I feel like somewhere along the way, numbers have become such an important part of who I am. This is not a complaint by any means. I think it is just a rant to sort of display my frustration with, the creator world today. Not to say that any platform is not boosting it or boosting my content. It's such an oversaturated market that you can't even blame the platforms, right? So what do? You just do your best and you put the best quality content out there that you enjoy watching and that you hope others will enjoy watching. Now, I'm putting out this video. I don't know if it'll do super well or if it won't do super well. But all I know is I enjoy making stuff like this. I enjoy sitting down with a camera and a cozy setup and some makeup and some music and talking to a camera for hours. It reaches people's ears and they enjoy watching it or they don't enjoy watching it. That's up to them. There is something on the internet for everyone. If my content does not resonate with you, I'm completely okay with it. I can understand that maybe it's not for you. But there will be some other creator who will be making content that you thoroughly enjoy, because there is just, there is that much amount of media available in the market now. Does that mean that I should alter my content because of every person that comes on here and says they don't like something? No, because if I start doing that, I'm not going to have any original ideas and I'm never going to be able to cater to everyone anyway, so it doesn't matter. I like my little unscripted sitting down sessions that I later edit and I'm like, wow, I'm such an idiot, I hate the way I said that, or I hate the way I said something else. That is more fun to me. I like my low budget production with my projector and my lights at the back. To me, this is content creation. This is being creative. This is just being in a sphere of, oh wow, I do it because I enjoy it. And I do it because I do it because I enjoy it. I have definitely in the past 2 weeks or maybe a month or so, definitely considered quitting YouTube. But then I sort of came back to it and thought that maybe the 245 that do like my videos, maybe they'll like this and maybe they would enjoy watching it. And that was a very long talk on something that maybe a lot of you don't relate to, but you know, दिल की बात है यार, दिल में थोड़ी रहने देते हैं हम सब कुछ बता देते हैं सबको, हम किसी से भी कुछ भी बात कर लेते हैं. Let's change the song and make it a little bit happy so we can talk about some drama and some gossip. How can a video be complete without like guilty? Not possible, guys. गॉसिप बताओ नित्या कुछ. ओके, व्हाट इज माई लेटेस्ट गॉसिप. एक तो आई लव बीइंग नॉन प्रॉब्लमैटिक, यू नो. मैं पढ़ती नहीं किसी के चक्रों में, मैं अपने काम से काम रखती हूँ, मैं सोती हूँ, खाती हूँ, पीती हूँ, काम करके वापस सो जाती हूँ, बस. मेरा और कोई मोटिव नहीं है लाइफ में. ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स आर बैक फ्रॉम कॉलेज, ऑल ऑफ देम हैव सो मेनी स्टोरीज टू टेल एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक हाँ सेम डूड सेम. मेरी स्टोरी सुनोगे मैंने क्या किया था उस दिन ऑफिस में. हाँ, मेरा उस दिन ना कुछ लॉग इन नहीं हो रहा था और फिर मेरे को अपने मैनेजर को मैसेज करना पड़ा. लाइक मेरी स्टोरी उनकी स्टोरी से बहुत डिफरेंट है. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट एंड वी आर स्टिल फ्रेंड्स. लाइक आई डोंट थिंक that changes anything between us. The fact that we have lived, you know, different lives the past year. Thoroughly enjoying meeting all of them. I love that they're all back. But definitely problems with time management because उनकी छुट्टियां चल रही है, मेरी छुट्टियां नहीं चल रही हैं. बाकी ठीक चल रहा है यार. That's why I was like क्या गॉसिप करूँ मैं आप लोगों के साथ. मेरी नाक पे आईलाइनर लग गया है. नाक पे कौन लगाता है आईलाइनर भाई. डेटिंग लाइफ कुछ खास मेरी चलती नहीं है तो मैं बस वाइब कर देती हूँ अकेले. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अकेले एक्चुअली. I thoroughly enjoy it. I go out with my mom's friends. I go out with my friends when they're in town. I've recently started driving more regularly so I can finally get my license by the end of this year, hopefully. I turned 20 in December and I'm so excited but I'm so nervous at the same time because यार adulting एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो तुम्हें समझ नहीं आती जब तक तुम actually उसको करते हो. And I'm like sort of ready, sort of not ready to be an adult right now. I don't think तुम actually adult बनते हो until you move out of your house and start earning for yourself. For most of us, like, you know, of course there are different situations for everyone, but I don't think मैं actually adulting कर रही हूँ अभी, and I don't think मैं 21 तक actually adulting करूँगी until I pass out of college. मेरी life काफ़ी vibey चल रही है अभी, touch wood. I'm just chilling. I've taken a week off. Not off of work but just general. I'm not stressing out about anything too much. मेरे को 4 बजे सोना है, मैं 4 बजे सोती हूँ, मेरे को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. For a week I'm just letting myself do whatever I want. Like अभी रात के 11 बज रहे हैं और मैं वीडियो बनाने बैठी हूँ. I love how I have a YouTube channel when I probably out of all of my friends at this point in my life have the least exciting life. Like मेरे पास कोई gossip नहीं है तुम्हें बताने के लिए. तुम देखते क्यों हो मेरा चैनल? मेरे को तो ये नहीं समझ आती क्यों. Why are you here? Are you struggling mentally little bit? Because that is the only reason you could be here. But genuinely, if you've been watching my content and you enjoy it and you've been liking it and you've been interacting with it and you've subscribed, it already means the world to me that you are here. Because I'm literally just here for the very specifically 245 of you. And the more that join us eventually along the journey. But my attempt will always be to make content that resonates with me, that resonates with what I love and what I believe in. And that will forever be my goal with this channel, to provide something to you that you enjoy watching. And if some videos get a little slumpy, you have to give me a break because I'm trying my best out here. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching my content as much as I enjoy making it. And if there are any ideas that you have as to what you would like to see, let me know, because you know I am pretty just vibing. I just make whatever I feel like making. Very soon a travel vlog's coming to you, so stay tuned for that. If there are any college related questions that need to be answered, let me know, leave them in the comments. But I promise you that I try my best to be as consistent as I can, because if during my exams I was to put out content, it would be pretty average and definitely would not match something that I would want to put out. जी रहे हैं जिंदगी. I think I'm also like in that phase of my life where being 19 is so weird because I saw a reel that day that was like, you know, 1 minute you're like, oh, I'm 19, I should live my life, but the next minute you're like, oh, I want to retire my parents, and then 1 minute you're like, but you're only 19 once and you're only in your teens once, but at the same time I want to build a secure future for myself. Like, there's so much in my head right now that I think for me to even express half of it is really, really difficult. So yeah, I'm just chilling like a villain. Please subscribe guys, please. प्लीज मैं रात को 11 बजे पागलों की तरह अपना मेकअप कर रही हूँ यार तुम्हारे लिए. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लो यार, क्या हाल है तुम्हारा. एंड अगर तुम सब्सक्राइब कर चुके हो तो अपने दोस्तों को भेज दो. इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट, जस्ट मी. एंड लेट्स एंड विद अ banger song, but I don't know what song that should be. This is too much pressure guys. I cannot find a good song when I'm this pressured. People ask me, आप अपने चैनल पे करते क्या हो, and I'm like, सब कुछ. मैं सब कुछ करती हूँ. And exams खत्म हो चुके हैं, तो I'm back for a while. And I hope you enjoy watching my content. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I've missed doing my outro so much, so I'm gonna do it again. But if you've enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whatever. Just have good time, man. Okay, bye.